Maybe next
Do you want to
time,
dress up, darling?
No.
Yes.
Oh, they just asked me if I wanted to dress up.
Otherwise,
Hi everyone, Car here from Pompey SC Vlogs, and we are at Tea Plantation here in Lamahatta. There you go. And if we look closely over here, there is a guy picking tea. Let's have a little look. Obviously, West Bengal, Lamahata, Darjeeling, famous for Darjeeling tea. There you go.
If you rub it.
Okay. You just rub that. Oh, that's lovely. We had tea today in Darjeeling. Beautiful. You must try Darjeeling tea if you like your tea. But this is sensational. You'll see this everywhere.
Yeah, it's nice.
Cup of tea.
Come stand with me a bit, darling. Made love tea. In
In the middle of the, standing in the middle of the tea fields. Aww.
And you? Oh, what a shot. You see that?
Oh, that's
All
amazing.
the clouds in the sun. Good photo. You with Carleen?
Yeah.
Hanif.
With mom, with dad. One photo with mom, with dad.
Ready?
Born ready. Fantastic.
With you also.
Okay.
Thank you, Mum.
One photo with daddy.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Big man.
My boys. Perfect. One more. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Just wonderful here.
Please, please.
No, we're done. We're done. Yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you, Daniel.
You take it that way, you'll see the sun through the clouds.
You can smell the tea. It's absolutely beautiful
Totally
here.
sunny day. It's good view for in here. Chile, up hill and down there.
Stole your idea.
Isn't that just amazing? So come and see the tea fields and, you know, smell it for yourself. It's absolutely wonderful. So we're going to move on. We're going to go and have some lunch somewhere. So looking forward to that. Check our other videos out from Darjeeling and all the villages, Tinjuli, and it's just so beautiful here. And yeah, if you come here, share your photos and videos with us on the channel. We'd love to see what you get up to and how you feel. It is just so beautiful. Just so beautiful here. Anyway, for now, car out. As always, look after each other, stay safe, stay well, lots of love.